Hello friends, I am Sagnik. Welcome to Curly Brushes. So, today we will learn how to draw a rocket in Adobe Illustrator. So, let's start. At first, I will take a page of 960 by 560 points. On this page, I will start my drawing. So, at first, we will take the Ellipse Tool to draw a oval. I have given this oval a light blue color. Now with the direct selection tool, we will select the top part of the oval and then click on this option. Now I will again take the ellipse tool and then draw a oval over here. I will place this oval just in the center of the rocket structure. Now I will select this full structure that we have created and then get the shape builder tool, and then pressing Alt on the keyboard, we will remove this unwanted part. Now we will get a new copy of the rocket structure. For that, I will select it, press Ctrl plus C and then Ctrl plus F, then bring it up here. Then we will select this, again get the shape builder tool and remove this unwanted part. Sorry, this only. Now I will select this triangle and give it a dark blue color. Now with the pen tool, I will draw another shape over here. Just see how I am drawing. You have to draw this shape just like this. Now I will add some highlighting to this rocket structure. For that, I will take the rectangle tool and then draw a rectangle just in between this oval, means rocket structure. Then I will select this and then get the shape builder tool and remove this unwanted part. Now I will select this half rectangle and then get the transparency window by clicking on window and then transparency. Now I will click on multiply and then reduce its opacity to 24%. Yeah, just like this. Now we are done. Now I will take the pen tool, press Alt on the keyboard and then drag it just like this. This looks cool. Now what I will do, I will also add a shading over here with the pen tool. So let's start. I will give this structure a light blue color. Just like this. Now, what I will do, I will start the lower portion of the rocket. For that, I will take the ellipse tool, draw a big circle over here. Now, I will again take the ellipse tool and draw another circle. I will place the circle in between the circle. Now I will select this whole structure, get the shape builder tool and remove these two parts. Now I will place this structure over here and then right click on it, go to arrange and then send it to back. Now I will change its color and give it a dark blue color. Yeah, now I will make the size of it. Just like this, you have to create it. Now I will create the part through which the fire will come out. So for that I will take the rectangle tool, draw a simple and small rectangle over here. I will place the rectangle in between the rocket. Yeah. Now I will select this, right click on it, go to arrange and then send it to back. Now I will make the fire. For that I will again take the ellipse tool, draw a circle over here, and then I will get a new copy of this circle. I will place this just in between the before circle. Now I will select this, get the shape builder tool and then remove this right part. Yeah. Now I will get a new copy of this and then with the older one I will place it in between the circle. Now I will again select it, again get the shape builder tool and then remove these two parts. Yeah. Now with this what I will do, I will decrease its size and then place it over here. Now you can see it's looking just like fire, but I will make some changes to it. So let's do it. Now I have done everything. So now I will select this, go to the window and then get the pathfinder from here, and then selecting this I will click on the first option, which is unite. Now you can see a single shape has been created. Now what I will do, I will select this again, go to the object and then path and then click on offset path. Now I will click on it and reduce its offset so that we get a new structure. Yes, this one. Now I will change their color. The outline I will give it an orange color and this one I will give it a yellow color. We are ready. Now I will select this, make it as a group and then place it here. I will decrease its size according to the rocket and then select it, right click on it, go to arrange and then send it to back. You have to keep the fire just like this. Now I will give the window to this rocket. So for that I will take the ellipse tool, draw two circles over here, one small and one big. Now we will place this in the center. Now both of them I will give a black color. I will also give them a white outline and then increase the stroke weight. I will do the same thing with this. Then I will again take the ellipse tool and draw 4 more circles. I will give them white foreground color and stroke none. You have to draw these 2 circles according to your window. Now I'll take the rectangle tool and then draw a rectangle from the upper intersect to the lower intersect and then give it a dark blue color. Yes, now I will right click on it, go to arrange and then send it to back. Now friends, you can see a good looking rocket has been created. So this tutorial must be very easy and simple for you. So if you like our today's video, please like it, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more of just like this tutorial. So friends, thanks for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.